Welcome back, everyone. Today we're connecting HubSpot to ChatGPT using Integrately. This setup makes it possible to send HubSpot data into ChatGPT and get instant AI responses. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. Let's get started. Search and select HubSpot as your first app, then choose ChatGPT as your second. In Integrately, build your custom automation by setting the trigger to "Deal is created in HubSpot" and the first action to "Write an email" in ChatGPT. I've also added the direct link in the description so you can try it instantly. To complete the workflow, add a final step with Gmail and select the "Send email" action. Next, connect your HubSpot account. Then connect your ChatGPT account by pasting your API key and choosing the model and finally connect your Gmail account. In the Builder, configure your ChatGPT step by mapping the recipient's name and email from HubSpot, adding your email prompt, and selecting the tone and style. Then set up Gmail by mapping the to address and subject line. Finally, test all the steps to make sure everything works. Once verified, switch on, turn on, and your automation will be live. And that's it, HubSpot to ChatGPT powered by Integrately. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check the link in the description to test it yourself.